Okay, this is the control panel. So make sure that the load battery is on all times, in that position there. And then this here is for the lights. And the lights here, to touch them, goes off, then blue. And also, if you hold it, it dims. And then touch it again, it'll go bright. Just like that. And then to use the hookup, make sure that this is in the off position. Once you hook it up, put it on, and it's live. Then before you disconnect, turn it off again, then disconnect the mains. This also here is a water pump. Switch it on. Let's switch on the water and fine. If you're using the water battery, if you're not using the water, please turn it off or drain the battery. And here, you also got USB ports to charge your battery for your phones. Here, you've got the water checker pump. It's the water checker. Once all lights are lit up, it means it's full. Also, with the water battery, to charge it, you can use the mains, or drive, or just run the engine, and that will charge the battery as well. And that's it, I think.